The most recent version of ChatGPT work has real-time voice integrated into the desktop app. As you see here, whether you're in Codex or whether you're in ChatGPT, you will now see start a new voice chat feature when you're in a new chat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the homepage of my website and see how it could actually change things in real time and how it feels to speak out the changes that I want instead of having to type it. So I'm going to click start new voice chat and we'll see how well it goes and how it feels and the pros, the cons. Hello? Hello?
Hey, what are you working on?
Hey, so I want to update the homepage of our website, growthacademy.global, and I'm going to
Hmm.
walk you through some of those things. And can you change those for me as I'm talking to you so I could tell you if I like it or not?
I'll check the site and set us up to make live edits together.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Almost there. Just hang on one sec. I'm ready. Go ahead with the first change you want, and I'll update the preview as we go.
Where it says the frontier of inbound marketing, I want that to be
Hmm.
I want that to be bigger, but I also want the 3 subheaders below that starting at AI era, Growth Academy Global teaches, and start with the proof
Hmm.
to be made into one sentence under the frontier of inbound marketing.
Got it. Checking that layout one sec. Got it. Bigger headline, and I'll merge those three lines into one sentence right under it. I'll keep the spacing clean as we adjust.
Can I also give you other changes?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, I don't really like the slash Growth Academy Global Small over the frontier of inbound marketing. Is there
Mhm.
a reason why that's there for AI search or what's the reason?
Checking that label. It's just a visual label, not doing anything meaningful for AI search, so we can drop it.
Okay, so let's drop that because the live events, people usually register through content and email blasts. What we could do actually is we could have the agent ready score as the call to action at the top of the website.
I'll make the agent ready score the primary call to action while keeping the event easy to find.
Okay, so the event is going to be removed from the actual header, but maybe stay as the navigation bar at the top.
Checking that setup. Yes, that's right. The event will move out of the promo spot but stay reachable from the top navigation.
Okay, and are you making these changes now? Could I at least see one of the changes done?
The preview is open in Chrome now. Use the side panel toggle and it'll stay there as we work.
The previews opening. Oh, I see. Okay. Um, oh, I see. Okay. So the frontier of inbound marketing, Growth Academy teaches established service businesses how to win. We have to work on that sentence. It's a little bit hard to understand. See where your business is agent ready. Okay, so at the top header, what I don't like is the square thing. See where your business is agent ready. What you would do is you would put a form fill out with a button just like you see it on the actual agent ready assessment page.
Okay, checking that layout. I'll replace that box with the same compact assessment form used on the score page right under the supporting sentence and keep the fields consistent.
Let me know when that is updated on the preview.
I'll confirm on the preview as soon as it's in.
After that, I want to state our premise here. So, yes, it's AI era client acquisition, but really what it is I started helping business owners gain leverage on LinkedIn, specifically via inbound, building their personal brands. identifying who their ICP is, creating content, especially through conversion channels like LinkedIn Live Video, the newsletters. But it's still the same type of leverage because if they don't upgrade their operations to be human agent ready or to be agent ready or agent native, they're not going to have leverage against their competitors. So that kind
Right.
of evolution needs to be under this. Has to kind of tell that story of where we started and what we're helping business owners do now.
Okay. I'll work that into a simpler story based sentence under the form. Clear. LinkedIn to agent ready operations, right under the website check.
Okay, good. I see the update for the agent ready score.
Okay.
I like that. Change the button to the teal blue, not the dark blue, and then remove the square or the rectangle, whatever this is, on the right-hand side that says build the system behind your inbound.
On it. Checking those updates. Removing that right box entirely and switching the button to the brighter teal blue.
Make the yourcompany.com a little bit bigger, 3D-ish, like coming off the page with some depth or glow.
Let me check that look. Making the field more dimensional with a restrained cobalt glow so it reads as the main action without becoming flashy.
Yeah, that's already a lot
Done.
better.
Great.
I'm struggling with the headline a bit. Maybe the frontier of inbound demand help me because we're kind of doing both, helping them upgrade their ops to be agent native. They could reduce payroll, they could increase speed, and that all
Yeah.
does tie into marketing as well because what they post on social goes to the website and that helps with AI search and all of those things.
Right. Let me try to make that headline stronger. Exactly. It's not just inbound marketing or AI operations, it's both. So the headline could be build a business AI can find, trust, and help run.
I don't know. You know who our ICP is.
Checking a simpler angle. You're right. Leading with agent ready may be too far ahead of where they are right now. We could anchor in something they already want, like inbound demand, and introduce agents as the unlock. Headline: The next era of inbound demand, with a subhead about building reach today and adding capacity tomorrow.
Let's just focus on the top one, the frontier of inbound demand for SMBs.
Checking that. Updating just that headline for now, leaving the rest as is.
Okay, let me know when it's updated on the preview. Okay. Oh, that was fast.
There it is. It's updated. The frontier of inbound demand for SMBs. How does that wording land?
I like it. Let's also move the alignment just a tad bit to the right and get rid of that weird plus sign that's at the top left.
Checking those. I'm shifting the hero content slightly right and removing that stray plus sign by the headline.
Yeah, this is good. That looks perfect.